Alright, more climbing on Beehive. Try to share these beautiful views with everybody. These rails are pretty cool. I was just telling Andrew, I wish there were more trails in the state that did this sort of stuff. Turns into like a jungle gym for adults. Or man-children. Whatever. Ocean looks beautiful down there at Sand Beach. I got a feeling we'll be seeing that when the hike is over. Go down there and soak our feet a little in the ocean. Hopefully that wind isn't too annoying on the audio. That is the problem with wearing the GoPro. Poofs my head up in the air. Makes it easier to lose it. More bloopers. More of the ladders. That's what we want to see.